สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Learn Thai with Mod with me, Crew Pair. How do you keep up a good work of reading and writing? Do you remember all the consonants and the alphabet that we have learned earlier? Do you remember how many consonants we have? Yes, 44, and we divided in 3 classes, right? Remember earlier me and Mod, we did some video of the high class consonant and Mod did some middle class consonant. Today is time for low class consonants. Are you ready? If you would like to speak Thai with confidence and sound like natural, you are at the right place. Before we start today's lessons, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn Thai with Mod, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Learn Thai with Mod. So today we are going to learn the low class consonant. So there are 24 low class consonants and we put them in 2 types of the low class consonant, which is paired able consonants and non-paired able. So today, lesson 4, we're going to start from the non-paired consonants. So let's see what are they. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first non-paired able low class consonants isงองูงองู Remember the ng sound ng ng. So if you still struggle with this consonant, think about when you say singing or song. So that is the ng part, yeah, ng. For example, the word that using ngองู of course, snake, งูงู or the word for confused, งงงง or work or a job, งานงาน so this sound is งง. The second consonant is ยอผู้หญิงยอผู้หญิง. So of course the sound is y like yes, you, yell, y. So the example of using this word, big, ใหญ่ ใหญ่. So the sound is y. And the third consonant is นอเนน นอเนน. Like the sound is n, like n sound, you know. So the example word that use no name, of course, is the name of the syllable or the consonant is name, name, among, but like very young age. So we say name. One is no, nu, no, nu. This is also the n sound, n. So it's exactly same sound with the previous one, no name. So both are no, yeah. So no, nu is n. Example using no, nu, like milk, num, num, or water, น้ำ น้ำ or sleep, นอน นอน alright. And the fifth word, the fifth consonant is มอ ม้า มอ ม้า. So the sound is M sound, m. Like the example word using มอ ม้า, like ไม่ for now, ไม่ or have has, มี มี or to come, มา มา so this sound is m. And the sixth one is ยอ ยักษ์ ยอ ยักษ์. So this sound is Y sound, like in English, like yes. The example of using this word, like the word for move, to move, in Thai we say ย้าย ย้าย or medicine, ยา ยา or long, ยาว ยาว so this sound is y, y. And the seventh one is รอ เรือ รอ เรือ this is the R sound, like r. Yeah, you're supposed to roll your tongue, right? R. But I know for you it's a little bit, you know, difficult, which is okay. You can do a little bit soft rolling, like l, r. And sometimes L and R, right? People get confused because Thai people sometimes use the R word with the L sound. So this consonant is rọเรือ you know, like r. For example, like love, รัก or to know, รู้ or hot, like what I meant. Now, hot is ร้อน so this sound is r, รอเรือ and the eighth one is ลอลิง so this sound is the L sound in English, like love, l. For example, the word that using this consonant is, of course, the word for monkey, ลิง or the word for bad, เลว so it's l. And number 9 is วอแหวน like this sound is make w. So the example of using วอแหวน for example, the word ว่า you know, like the connecting word when you say like I think that, she said that, like that, ว่า or to place, you know, to put something down, วาง or when you want to, you know, do this, yeah, the Thai greeting. In Thai we say ไหว้ so this sound is w. And the last non-paired able low consonants is ลอจุฬา. This consonant is made similar, like, you know, the L sound, ลอ, like l. But this is like the old traditional consonant that nowadays we don't use it anymore, or you won't see the word using this consonant as a third consonant that much. So that sound, or that consonant is ลอจุฬา. So those are the 10 non-paired able low class consonants. So please stay tuned for the paired able low class consonant in next video. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any questions or any comments, please feel free to leave it here. And don't forget, if you want to take your Thai to the next level, you want to be able to speak Thai like a Thai, don't forget to join our group class. We offer group class via Zoom. You can learn Thai easy and confident at home. You don't have to go anywhere, and you can learn Thai from your new friends from all over the world. Either you want to start from zero, you want to take your Thai to the next level, we can help you. Don't forget to write us this email to get a free assessment test before you enroll the class. So I would like to see you in my class. Thank you very much for watching. ขอบคุณค่ะ